Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and my watch these videos. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet dresses ideas. It's very beautiful and very trending collection. So viewer, watch this video start to end. Please don't skip the video. This is very helpful for you and all the designs are very amazing and trending. I hope you all love this popular and trending collection. So you will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending design of handmade crochet dresses. I really hope that they will love these beautiful and popular ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and different type of designs. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. Must make these beautiful designs for yourself for more beautiful and outclass look. Thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet item. So viewer, now I am share with you the benefits of crochet dresses. And comfortable dresses. Crochet dresses are often made of soft, breathable yarns, making them incredibly and comfortable to wear. Flexibility. Crochet fabric is flexible. It's very soft and flexible and stretchy, allowing for a full range of motion. Versatility. Crochet dresses can be dressed up and down and are suitable for various occasions, for events, for weddings, and all the formal events. Unique and handmade. Each crochet dress is handmade, making it a one-of-a-kind piece with a personal touch. Sustainable crochet dresses can be made with eco-friendly yarns, reducing waste and supporting sustainable fashion. Customizable crochet dresses can be easily customized to fit individually body types and style preference. Timeless crochet dresses can be treasured for years as they often become family heirlooms and passed down pieces. Relaxing to make crochet dresses. Crocheting a dress can be a calming and therapeutic activity, providing a creative outlet. Cost effective. Crochet dresses can be made with affordable yarn, making them a budget friendly fashion options. Empowering. Creating your own crochet dress can be a fulfilling experience, giving you a sense of pride in your handmade garments. Overall, crochet dresses offer a combination of comfort, versatility, and sustainability, making them a great choice for those who value handmade value and fashion pieces. Now, viewer, I am share with you the what is the crochet. This question is very important, and now I am share with you the details of crochet. Crochet, a wonderful hobby that combines activity, relaxation, and handiness. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involving using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's used to make a wide range of items from clothing and accessories to home decor and toys. If you are interested in learning how to crochet, I can provide you with some basic instructions and resources to get you started, or if you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with patterns, tips, and inspirations for your next project. What would you like to know about crochet? And weaver crochet is a very beautiful handmade work, and it's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing, accessories, home decor, kids' toys, granny squares. Crochet has many benefits including relaxation, stress relief, creative expression, and self-expression. Portability, easy to take with you on the go. Customization, choose your own yarn and favorite colors and patterns. Cost effective, make your own items instead of buying them. Some common crochet stitches include chain stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and tribal crochet. If you are interested in learning how to crochet, so watch my all the previous videos. It is very useful resources and tutorial available to help you get started. So I hope you all understand with the details of crochet. And crochet is a French word meaning hook. The first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make clothing, accessories, and home decor items. Its most common crochet hook materials are aluminum, steel, and wood. So, Weaver, I hope you all are understand. So, if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my all the previous videos and watch my videos. Viewer, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you will receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. One more time, I am very thankful to you for your support. Be support me like this forever, viewers. Okay, my lovely friends. See you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.